Time in for the third quarter. Giwan Padayon versus Marabot for battle for third place for the Pista of Balanhiga Eastern Samar.
Shout out kan Kuya Ed TV Vlog, ang ating official vlogger sa ating basketball tournament. Pasa kay number 15 to shot. Cross pass to number 21, intercepted by number 16. Transition pass to number 14. Hindi ang papasok. Rebound number 3. Nakakuha ng bola. To number 55. Number 15. Pull up. Short. 16, 23 recovers the ball for Marabot. Number 23 pa rin, may dala ng bola, binigay kay number 14, 15 seconds to shoot. To number 34, pumukol ng 3, hindi ang papasok, nagawa ng rebound, nakuha ng number 26. May pito, 55. Pumukol, in and out. Nasa may logo against number 14. Number 55, pasali yung pass to number 2. Number 14 to number 23 against number 2. To number 16, a fake, a dribble, another fake. This is out to number 34. Number 34, pull up jumper, wala. Rebound number 15. To number 25 o number 15 to number 3, pasok. Tatawag ng timeout ang Marabot. Timeout Marabot.
Back to the ball game. Third quarter. Battle for third, Marabot versus Giwan for the Pista of
Number
Balanhiga.
14 to number 19 sa may elbow. To number 23, isolation play, 10 to shot. May pick, may tira, wala yan. Rebound number 15 to number 55. Number 5, number 23, number 21, pull up jumper, wala. Number 14, raising the floor. So point number 20. Okay. 55. 55 may dala ng bola. Pick and roll play. Kickball. Number 23 to number 55 against number 14. Number 2 providing a pick. Number 3 rather. Number 3 top of the keyhole. Foul line number 21. Jumper no sir. Last touch. De Colores. Giwan's ball. 13 seconds to shoot. Number 55 against number 14. Number 55 pa rin. 10 seconds to shoot. Shot clock is winding down to 5. Number 23 to number 55. May pito. Si referee Pat. 6.
First good by Jugabuan.
Marabot. Nasa foul line pa rin si number 55. Wala. Rebound number 16. 55. Sasalaksak si number 21. To number 23. Tumira. Hindi ang papasok. Nakuha ni Asinto Express. Binigay kay number 23. 2 against 2. So boy, traveling violation, traveling. Number 25, directing the play for Giwan. To number 3, there's a whistle. Foul. Number 23 to number 15. to number 55, double team. Number 55 goes inside to Mira, wala yan. Rebound number 19 to number 16. Number 16 to number 19 to Mira, hindi pumasok, tapa lang inabot. Rebound number 21 to number 15 to number 55. Number 55 against number 16. Step back 3-pointers, wala. Di sa battle for the rebound. Ball goes to the answer number 3 of the glass, pasok yan. 6. Down to a single dive is by Marabot, number 23, sasalaksak, maagawan niya ni number 3. Number 3 to number 21, a fake, a dribble, a shot, a whistle, a foul, and 2 free. Time out. 1 time out left for Marabot. First throw, Dagsa, pasok. Second throw, 2 out of 2. Ang inahabol ng G1 sa Marabot, Jacinto to number 16 to another 16, right sub Hall to number 14, 5 seconds to shoot. Number 16 to number 06 sa may elbow. Shot clock violation. 5 ang is number 14 to number 23 to Mira, hindi ang papasok. Jacinto Express may dala ng bola, napunta kay Dundre, back to Jacinto Express goes baseline, a pick, a card, a shot, missing the mark, rebound G1. Side stepping move, Eurostep, wala. Number 16 nakakuha ng rebound, ball intercepted by Dagandan to number 3. Jacinto Express sumalaksak, nice pass. Against number 14, number 55 pa rin. Shot clock down to 15. Foul Jacinto Express. 55 nasa foul line. First throw, pasok. So out of 2. Baba sa pito ang number 06. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 23 to number 16. Wala. Rebound number 55. Number 55 against Jacinto Express. Number 55. Mawawala ng montek ng mawawala. Tuloyang nawala ang bola. Nakuha ang number 23. Number 23 racing the floor against number 21. Humingi ng bola si number 15. Pull up jumper. Short. Rebound number 3. To 15. Number 23. Number 23 against Jacinto Express. Number 23. Last touch. Marabot. Tito Dadulya. Welcome to the venue, sir. Inbound number 23 to number 55 against number 44. 10 seconds to shoot. Nobody else home for number 3. Only 5 with 4 minutes 20 seconds remaining. Foul line jumper number 6. 4 minutes 10 seconds. Running score stands at 58-53. Marabot by 5. 10 to shoot. Number 55 to number 23. Wala. May agawan ng rebound. Nakuha ng number 44. Number 44 pa rin may dala ng bola. Binigay ka number 06. Type in there. Pull up jumper. No sir. Rebound number 55. Binigay kay number 3. Long pass to number 21, a fake, a dribble, a pull up. No sir, rebound number 6. To number 40 seconds. Number 23, right quarter court against number 23. To number 16, 10 to shoot, number 44, back to number 16. Goes this line. Offensive rebound number 16. Shot clock begin to 14, number 23. 10 seconds to shoot, number 44. Tapa lang inabot. Number 15. Number 23, may dala ng bola against number 23. Number 23 sa salaksak sa loob. May pito, whistle blows, a foul, under a penalty situation. First throw, number 23. Pasok. Number 44 directing the play. Harassed by number 25. Number 44 pa rin. Drop pass to number 16. Inilabas 10 seconds to shot. Inilabas ka number 23. Number 23, matutulutan yan. Mawawala ang bola. Tulutan lang mawala. Number 25 pa rin nagala ng bola. Number 25. Nice pass to number 3. Number 2. A shot. Missing the mark. For fouled out. First throw, number 2. Pasok. Foul instruction against you. By only 2 points. Number 6.
Dalawa na lang.
Right side of the keyhole. Tomira.
Foul.
Number 06. Unang free throw, wala. Free throw line. Set it up. Let it go. Ang accident. Number 25. Number 25. Bringing down the ball for Team D1 against Jacinto Express. From the logo. Number 23 providing a fake. Number 25 take it to the rack. This line. To number 25 against Jacinto Express. Ball intercepted by number 16. Nobody else home. Yes, sir. Sa may foul line. Binigay kay number 5. Tumira. Wala yan. Number 6 hold down the rebound. Transition pass to number 16 of the glass. Back-to-back 2 pointers by number 16. With 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Dagsa may tira of the glass. Good for 2 points. Jacinto Express to number 16. Number 16, drive and draw. Ball intercepted by D1. Transition pass to number 2, Strong. Ball in order by number 16 to another number 16 against number 55 to number 6. Samay city lane, Tumira, pasok yan para iangat ang kalabangan sa pito. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Number 5, ay number 2 rather. Number 2, sasalaksak sa loob. Behind the basket to number 55, pull up jumper, pasok. Nice perimeter jumper, number 55. 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Jacinto Express against number 25 to number 15. 10 to shoot. 30 seconds. 5 to shoot. Juling shot. Hindi ang papasok. 25 seconds. 20 to shoot. Segundos. G1 inbounding from the baseline. Ibinigay kay number 25. Quick 2 pointers, hindi papasok. Offensive rebound ng G1, hindi pumasok. 10 seconds, shot clock is off. Jacinto Express, wakali, Gordon at White, 5 seconds. Wala. Diyan magtatapos ang ating third quarter. Ang third quarter ng ating laro para sa third place mga kaibigan. Atid sa inyo sa mabuting kalooban ng Barangay Local Government Unit ng Barangay San Miguel, Balangigay, San Samar na pinamumunuan ni Kagalang-galang Romel Ilacion Hilaria. Good morning, sir.